What's up, guys? Michael Kid here. My papa's truck burnt. I'm gonna show you.
Never is busy. You're right, man. But never is busy. But some dudes come out of it, but he's scared that we call like, I got bad news later.
It smells horrible. Why? Mom, it smells horrible.
I come by a call. When you get a call, everybody will call you. You ain't got to do nothing for them. And you get a random call before the door. The thing you get to tell people stop calling you.
Mama,
I'll get Miss Stamp.
how do you not smell that smell? It's horrible.
Kid today, I broke down the phone with Kid today. Because in my mind, yeah, because she said Monte broke like, once he started jailing, because jailing the baby stuff finally realized what happened. And said Monte been holding it in. But like I told Tori, my thing in my mind is that after the first call hit him, he was laying there. I hope he was dead. Because how he was laying there, couldn't do nothing while the second call was about to hit him. Kid what Tori like she trying not to think all that, but Kat just said that's all she's thinking about. She hopes he didn't suffer. Girl, look at what that's gonna be. Bad news, bitch. What the fuck?
How would fire burn through?
I'm glad he got out of it though.
But how would fire burn through?
Yeah.
I'm glad Mimi wasn't in there because she would have took 4.2 hours. Why are you that close to the car, dummy? Hey, dummy, why are you close to the car? Something wrong with you. I'm glad that Mimi wasn't. Mommy, I'm glad that Mimi. Mama, I'm glad that Mimi wasn't in her because it would have took her 24 hours to do that. It would have took Mimi 24 hours to get out. Okay, that's it. Just